Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School online classes. In the last class, we discussed saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. In that, we learned on alkane and alkenes. Just a summary of what we learned in the last class. We learned alkane. Alkanes is nothing but they all have single bond. Okay, all made up of single bonds. That means that ane represents single bond. Okay, and this is the general formula of an alkane, CnH2n plus 2. And how the using this formula we can create a structure, we can make a structure, and also we can give a name of an alkane. So that we learned in the last class, right? So this was the names of a carbon groups. Okay, meth for 1, eth for 2, prop for 3. So like that we learned the carbon families. And also we learned on alkenes. Alkenes are unsaturated carbon compounds. That means alkyl group with ene. Ene means whenever ene comes, that means it represents a double bond. And the general formula of an alkenes are CnH2n. And using this, we have done some examples on how to create a formula by and also the structure, make a structure for some alkene groups. And today, and also I gave you some works. I hope you have done it. If you have not done, please try to do it in my next class. So in today's class, we are going to learn on alkyne. Okay, alkyne, that means alkyl, ALK, alkyne. That means if YNE comes, that means it talks about a triple bond. Okay, so whenever alkyne comes, it is a triple bond. And just a recap of what we learned, it's ane ayato single bond, alkene ayato it's a double bond, and alkyne, this is what I told you now, it talks about triple bond. Clear? Okay. Alkyne has a general formula called CnH2n minus 2. Okay, like alkane, alkane start with meth. Okay, because they have only one carbon and each carbon is made up of each carbon valency is attached with single bond of hydrogen. But alkenes, you cannot see meth in that because there must be double bond आना चाहिए. Double bond है तो we need at least 2 carbons to make a double bond. Okay, so after making a double bond, so we have 2 carbons, so it start with eth. Okay, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, ऐसे तो आएंगे double bond. Like the same, alkynes also, as you cannot make a triple bond with one single carbon, we need 2 carbons for a triple bond. So the same like double bond alkynes also have start with eth. Okay, eth से start होगा. So let's try with that. So we'll start with the ethyne. How we can make a ethyne? 2 carbon and a triple bond should be there. And this carbon, if I see each carbon should satisfy, yes, they have 4 valencies, right? And here this carbon is having 1, 2, 3 already there. So it needs 1 to satisfy, yes, a valency. And same thing for this carbon also have 3 valencies are here, 3 bond, and only 1 needs to be there. So this is the structure of ethyne. Why ethyne? Because 2 carbon, it is eth. Because they have a triple bond between them, whenever triple bond comes, we need to add "-ine" on the suffix of eth. So it should to be ethyne. Okay, let's try to use this general formula and how we can make a structures. Okay, let's try this general formula. CnH2n minus 2. This is the general formula for ethyne. Okay, how we can do this? Let's start with 4 carbon atom. 4 carbon means we need to, n represents number of carbon atom, right? So we need to add 4 in the place of n, or we need to replace n with 4. So C, can I do just like that? Okay, I hope you can try to do by yourself, and if you can do by yourself, please try along with me. So C4, as I'm going to do for 4 carbon, C4 H2 into 4 minus 2. So it should come like this: C4 H 2 into 4, 8, 8 minus 2, 6. So this is for 4 carbon atom. 4 carbon atom नाम क्या होगा? It's bute. Bute is for 4 carbon, and because we need 4, we have triple bonds in that, we need to add ine. Okay, let's make a structure and then we can confirm with this name. So we have 4 carbon atom. As I told you already, first we are making single bonds, then in any one of these places between carbon and carbon we can add a triple bond. I am going to add here on my right hand side. So after adding a triple bond, now try to add a hydrogen, and this carbon have only 1, so 3 we need to add and add hydrogen in that. This carbon already have 2 valencies, so we need to add 2 more to satisfy 4 valencies. And this carbon, just watch it carefully, this carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need not to add any hydrogen in that because already satisfied with 4 valencies. Now go for this carbon. This already have 1, 2, 3, so we need to add 1 hydrogen. Now count the number of hydrogen atom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, comes 6. And how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. So C4H6 is the formula of butane. Will you all understand, student? Okay, so I'm going to do one more example. If you can try with myself, you can please do it. So 6 carbon atom. 6 carbon atom, what is the name? Yes, hexa आएंगे. Okay, hexa means 6 carbon. So formula is general formula CnH2n minus 2. So I'm going to do it directly. C6H2 into 6 minus 2. So it should come like this: C6H2 6 12, 12 minus 2 10. So now I'm not going to write the name. First we'll make a structure. So 6 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 carbon atom. Now I'm going to make triple bond in the middle. Wherever you can make it any one place. Between carbon and carbon you can make any one place. Don't make it for all the places. If you make for all the places, that is not a correct one. Make at least for any one place. Okay, then try to go for hydrogen. This carbon already have 1, so 3 we need to add to satisfy the valency. This carbon already have 2, so 2 more hydrogen. This no need to add anything. You can look at it. This carbon already have 1, 2, 3, 4. No need to do anything. This carbon also have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need not to add any hydrogen in this. But here only 2 are there, so you need to add 2 more hydrogen. And this carbon have only 1, so you need to add 3 here. Okay, now formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C6. How many hydrogen here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hydrogen. So what is the name here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon means hexa, X. And because we have a triple bond, we need to write ine on this suffix. So the name is hexyne. Okay, this is what the saturated and unsaturated compounds, and this is the same way you need to make use the general formula, and you can create structures. And this is a structure of butane, and this is the structure of hexane. So this is how you can make. But how we can give a name for that? So in the next topic, we are going to see how we can give a name. How we can give a name for alkane, how we can give a name for alkenes, how we can give for alkynes. Okay, that we are going to see now. So for that, we are going to do an example, a general simple example, a simple name, and also we are going to see an IUPAC name. Okay, what is this IUPAC name? IUPAC is nothing but International Unit of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So this people, that International Pure and Applied Chemistry people, they gave a complete naming for all the compounds. So this is this name you have to learn. Okay, let's do some example, and then we try to give a name for that. Let's start with alkane. Okay, alkane, we can give a very simple names because they have only single bond everywhere, so you can give a single name just like that. For example, one if it is like this, if a compound like this, and you need to add a hydrogen. Okay, look at this. This is the structure of 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 carbon. What is the name? 5. It's penta. Okay, pent means 5. Say I want everyone to please learn from methane to octane, sorry, at least to dectane. Okay, meth to dect, मतलब 1 for meth. So आप प्लीज़ याद कर दो, 1 कार्बन है तो meth, 2 is eth, 3 is for prop, 4 is for but, 5 for pent, 6 is for X, 7 for hept, 8 for oct, 9 for nene, 10 for decta. So at least this name you have to keep it in your mind, please. Otherwise you get a lot of confusion. So how we can give, if it is alkane, that means single bond है तो we can add ane, मीथ के बाद ane लगाना है. Okay, if between carbon and carbon, if the double bond is there, then we can add ene लगाना है. For example, pent, यहाँ पे 5 carbon, so it is penta. So if I put a double bond in that, in any one of this place, that means I have to give a name as pentene लिखना है. If it have a triple bond in between any of this carbon atom, it should come as pentyne. So that you have to keep in mind. See, this is the family name. ये family name आप याद रखना चाहिए. Clear? So penta. So this is the family name, and you have to look at it. Is there any double bond or single bond between them? So first you have to find the family name. Step one is find the family name. Step 2 is see that is there any double or single bond or double bond or triple bond is present. Single or double or triple is present. And third thing, step 3 is if double or triple bond is there, find the position of double or triple bond. कहाँ पे ये double bond or triple bond, वो पता करना है. Then only in the fourth step only you have to give a name. So first step for alkane is see the family name 1 2 3 4 5. So it's pent, लिख दिया. And second step, see there is a double or triple bond is here. No double or triple bond. So it is very easy for us. सिर्फ एन लगाना है, pentane. That's it. That's it. You need not to do worry about alkenes. Alkenes में नाम सीधा सीधा आ जाता है. Okay, because there is no double or triple bond, so it will become just like that. Even for you can do for a hexane or a heptane or octane, whatever it is, just चेन का स्ट्रक्चर इंक्रीज हो जाता है, बट नेम एज कम्स डायरेक्टली. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सी फॉर एल्कीन. एल्कीन में कैसे नाम लगाना है. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द सेम एग्जाम्पल हियर. पेंट का सेम एग्जाम्पल ले लेंगे. सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू पुट 5 carbon. 1 2 3 4 5 carbon. Here I am not going to add any hydrogen. First of all, I am going to put only carbon atom. Okay. Okay, now I am going to write a double bond here. Okay, and now go and add the hydrogen atoms. Okay, I made a structure here. So it's 3 4 carbon, right? You can look at it. All are satisfied with the bonds. Okay, valence is satisfied. Okay, here I put a double bond. And also you can ask me, sir, why यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन ऊपर लगा दिया, यहाँ पे नीचे लगा दिया. That's not a matter. You can put even both. ऊपर भी लगा सकते हो, नीचे भी लगा सकते हो, एक ऊपर और नीचे कोई भी लगा सकते हैं. That's not a problem. Clear? And the thing is, first step क्या होगा, फैमिली नेम क्या फाइंड आउट करना है. What is the family name? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 carbon means what is the family name? It's pent. बस इतना ही लिखना है पहले. पूरा पेंटेन पेंटीन पेंटाइन कुछ नहीं लिखना पहले. पेंट. सेकेंड थिंग इज, सी दैट इज देयर एनी डबल और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. यस, वी हैव अ डबल बॉन्ड हियर. ये कहाँ पे होता है. थर्ड थिंग इज, फाइंड द पोजीशन ऑफ डबल और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. ये डबल बॉन्ड वेयर इट इज प्रेजेंट. टू फाइंड वेयर, दैट मीन पोजीशन, वी हैव टू थिंग्स. वन इज, वी कैन नंबर फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. लेफ्ट टू राइट पे नंबर कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो राइट टू लेफ्ट पे नंबर कर सकते हैं. ओके, लेफ्ट टू राइट पे नंबर करेंगे तो, सो दिस इज 1 carbon, 2 3 4 5. So when you are numbering from left to right, this double bond is present in the third position. So you can ask me a question, sir, why it is not in the fourth position? Fourth position में तो लिखना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि fourth position में भी है double bond. So it should not come like that. Okay, when you go from left to right, you have to see the next bond. So that means first C कार्बन, फर्स्ट कार्बन का बॉन्ड कहाँ पे है, यही है. सेकेंड कार्बन का बॉन्ड यहाँ पे है. थर्ड कार्बन का बॉन्ड यहाँ पे है. फोर्थ कार्बन का बॉन्ड यहाँ पे. 5 का कहाँ पे होगा, 5 विल नॉट बी देयर. यहाँ पे जाएंगे तो नंबरिंग स्टार्ट फ्रॉम यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. दैट इज राइट टू लेफ्ट नंबरिंग. सो 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now if I count from left to right, where is the double bond present? It is in the third position. If I count from left to right, where is the double bond present? Count it. 1 का तो यहाँ पे, 2 का तो यहाँ पे. So it is present in the second position. So you should take the least value. Least value कहाँ है, 3 or 2? 2 is the least value, right? So you have to take the least value. So double bond कहाँ पे होता है, find the position. It is in the second position, right? So we can write pent 2 पे क्या है, ene is there. Pent family name second position में double bond होता है. So to say that it is double bond, we are writing it as ene. This is also we can write, or you can write like 2 pentene. A भी लिख सकते हैं. This is also correct. Either you can write like this or you can write like this. Will you understand, student? Okay, let's do one more example for the same alkenes. Then we will move on to the next topic. Okay. Okay, I'm going to give one more example here. Okay, look at this structure. It is, what is the family name? Can anyone tell me the family name? 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is hex. Is the 6 carbon atom. It's X. Okay. Second, what is the second step? First step क्या करना है, family name find out करना है. Second step is find any double bond or triple bond. Yes, we have a double bond here. Okay, second step भी हो गया. Third step, position find out करना है. Where is the position? For that we should name the numbering करना है. Left to right or right to left. Left to right करेंगे तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It comes in the first position. Okay, left to right करेंगे तो first, right to left करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा it comes in the fifth position में हो जाता है. Least कौन है? First only. So we can write it as x1 in. नहीं है तो और we can write कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम? और we can write 1x in, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Understood? Okay, the last one, alkyne है तो कैसे नाम दे सकते हैं? Same rule, same for everything. Okay, I'm going to write one example, then we will see here. Okay, the structure is given here. So what is the name here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Family name find out करना है. That was your first step. So 4 carbon, it is bute. Okay, and then see that any double bond or triple bond present. That is our second step. Yes, we have a triple bond here. So that means third step is find the position. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's in the second position. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's also in the second position. So if I count from left to right, second position, right to left may be second position. So directly we can give a name as 2-ine, or in other word it is 2-butine. Okay, this also right. I hope you can do the rest of the things by yourself. But now again another example we are going to see is, okay, if the structure is given, they are asking you to write the name. Okay, we can do it. But what about नाम दे दिया, कैसे structure बना सकते हैं हम? That we are going to see now. So we are going to make a structure for 3-pentine and 1-butene. Can we make now? So first rule is, here we have family name. Family name दे दिया तो आप क्या करना है? Family name के हिसाब से लगाना है. So penta means 5 carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 तो लगा दिया मैंने. And they are asking third position में ine लगाना है. That means triple bond on third position. 1, 2, 3. So third position I am drawing a triple bond. You can ask me a question, sir, यहाँ पे जाएंगे तो second position आ जाएंगे ना? Even if I put here 1, 2, 3, यहाँ पे जाएंगे तो 3 तो आ जाएंगे. That's not a problem. Any one place आप देख सकते हैं आप. Okay. Okay. Now go for the structure. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and this is all correct. This is the structure of 3-pentine. Understand? If you want to make even the formula banana hai to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, H8. ये भी लिख सकते हैं आप. Can we make now butene? 1, 2, 3, 4. First position ene आना चाहिए. So double bond. Here you can make a double bond. Here also you can make a double bond. मतलब any one place, either here or here. Okay, now go for a hydrogen here. 1, 2 hydrogen, because satisfying the 4 valencies. Now this is the structure of 1-butene. If you want to make a formula, it's C4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? C4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. H8. Formula of butene. 1-butene. Okay, student. Today we learned on unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkyne, how we can make a formula for that, and also how we can give a name by using IUPAC name. So 2 things we learned today. So this is for today, and tomorrow we'll see with another topic. Thank you, student, and have a nice day.